Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a project that combines tech and a little bit of mischief. We're building a DIY smart trash can. But trust me, there's a hilarious twist coming. First, let's talk about the smart part. We're going to make this trash can seem super high-tech. The goal? To have it open automatically when someone gets close. We'll need a few things for this. First, a regular trash can. Nothing fancy here, just something that will do the job. Next, we'll need an Arduino board, which is the brains of our operation. This little microcontroller will be responsible for sensing when someone is near and triggering the lid to open. We'll also need a distance sensor. These sensors use ultrasonic waves to measure how far away an object is. When it detects someone nearby, it sends a signal. Finally, we need a servo motor. The servo motor will be connected to the lid of the trash can. And when it receives a signal from the Arduino, it'll open the lid. So, let's get building. First, mount the distance sensor on the top of the trash can, pointing downwards. This will be our proximity detector. Then, connect the sensor to the Arduino board. We'll also connect the servo motor to the Arduino board. With the electronic components set up, it's time to build the software. We'll write a simple program using the Arduino IDE that tells the Arduino to listen for the distance sensor to detect an object within a certain range. If the object is close enough, the program will instruct the servo motor to open the lid. Now, let's get this thing working. Once we've uploaded the code and powered up the system, the Arduino should be listening for a signal from the distance sensor. When someone approaches the trash can, the sensor will detect them and trigger the servo motor to open the lid. Amazing, right? But here's where the fun begins, and the real prank unfolds. Because, you see, this is all an elaborate setup. What appears to be a smart trash can is actually something else entirely. In order to make it look legitimate, we will hide it inside a big cabinet, which should blend well with its environment and trick our visitors. The trash can is not that smart at all. In reality, I'm hiding inside a huge cardboard box disguised as a cabinet, and I'm manually opening the trash can lid with a string whenever someone approaches. It's all a clever illusion. When someone comes close to the cabinet, I pull the string to open the trash can, making it appear that the trash can is opening automatically. And the best part? The look on their faces when they realize what's happening. When they approach the trash can, expecting it to open automatically, and then see me pulling the string. The look of surprise and confusion is priceless. It's a classic prank, and it's always fun to see people's reactions. So, there you have it. The DIY Imposter Smart Trash Can Prank. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun projects. And, of course, don't forget to wear your safety glasses when pulling off any pranks.